लूट गए लूट गए लूट गए, क्या करे अब तो लूट गए. Just kidding guys, welcome to Crazy Kalakar's Adda and this is our very own review time. Hash trailer review, hash movie, hash loot case. Surprisingly, the trailer of this movie has come across as a fresh of breath air amongst all the other trailers that were released recently. Loot Case is nothing but a laughter dose and much required in the lockdown. From the trailer, we could figure out that the story goes something like this. Nandan, an ordinary guy fed up of his life which is full of problems, desperately wants it to change. And one night, he finds a shady suitcase full of 2000 rupee notes. He keeps it, believing that his life will change for better. His life does change, but good or bad, we have to find out. और हाँ, 2000 का नोट मतलब उसे छुट्टा तो मिलने से रहा. Now just imagine, one person has found a suitcase full of cash. So isn't it obvious that there are going to be other people in search of the suitcase? Obviously yes. So there are two people, one of them is a Don, played by Vijay Raj, and the other one is a minister, played by another fantastic actor, Gajaraj Rao. Two extremely dangerous people and one cannot mess with. And our hero Nandan is found in the middle of this mess.
Nandan is aptly played by Kunal Khemu. एक अंदर की बात बताऊं, पहले ये रोल वरुण धवन को मिलने वाला था, but he got quite busy in his schedule, so now it's Kunal Khemu, who is desperately looking at that one film that is going to throttle his career in the upward direction. Supporting him is Rasika Duggal, playing his wife Lata. Loot Case has been directed by Rajesh Krishnan, who had given us a gem of web series called Tripling. With such a plethora of terrific actors in Loot Case, I think this movie too should be in your watch list. To sum it up, some movies have logic, few have magic, but this one has a supersonic wave of laughter. Because I like one scene in the trailer. It says, ये नोट गिनने की मशीन किधर मिलती है? क्यों? वो क्या है ना, घर पे 2 गोनी भर के पैसा पड़ा है, साला गिनने ही नहीं हो रहा है. As the Kunal Khemu's tweet says, इस बैग में कुछ तो काला है, आप खुद ही देख लीजिए. हाँ भाई, हम लोग तो ज़रूर देखेंगे 31 जुलाई को Disney+ हॉटस्टार पर. After all, laughter is the best medicine.